Hello friends, welcome back to Aussie Railroad, the Hollywood of Minas Gerais. In this video, we built the auxiliary office for our locomotive engine house. We followed the same style as the engine house, covering the walls with 3D printed textured papers that realistically imitate industrial brickwork and stone masonry. The main difference from the engine house is the roof. This time we chose to use French-style roof tiles manufactured by Noche. This roof design matches the style of our signal cabin, helping to maintain a consistent architectural look across the layout. We hope you enjoy the progress of our work. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time, friends.